everyone, this is Mamta Aman, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future video. Today we will solve self practice exercise question 2A of second chapter. Chapter name is fraction and decimal of class 7 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started. What we will learn today? Today we will learn self-practice exercise 2A. Chapter name is fractions and decimal, and topics are equivalent fraction, like and unlike fraction, proper and improper fraction, mixed fraction, and comparing of fraction. Now we will solve question number 1, and question number 1 is find the value of first bit is 1/5 of 1 hour 10 minutes. We know 1 hour is 60 minutes. We have to convert hour to minutes. 1 hour 10 minutes is 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 10 minutes. 60 minutes plus 10 minutes is 70 minutes. So 1 hour 10 minutes is 70 minutes. Then 1/5 of 1 hour 10 minutes, we have to find the value that. We have to find the value of 1/5 of 1 hour 10 minutes. 1/5 of 1 hour 10 minutes is 70 minutes. 1/5 of is multiplication. So 1/5 multiplied by 70 minutes equal to 5 multiplied by 14 is 70. So we cancel this 5 with 70. 5 and 70. 5 multiplied by 14 is 70. So 1 multiplied by 14 is 14. So we get 14 minutes. So we get 1/5 of 1 hour 10 minutes is 14 minutes. Now second bit B. 1/5 of a non-leap year. We know a leap year has 365 days. Leap year has 366 days and non-leap year has 365 days. So 1/5 of a non-leap year. 1/5 of 365. 1/5 multiplied of 365 equal to 5 multiplied by 73, we get 365. So 1/5 of a non-leap year is 73 days. Now we will solve question number 2, and question number 2 is express half age 1/2 age quarter 6th 8th 12th 16th and 24th. First we have to express 1/2 age quarters. We know quarter is 4. So 1/2 age quarter is 1/2 multiplied with 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is in denominator. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So we get 1 divided by 4. So 1/2 age quarter, when we express 1/2 age quarter, we get 1 divided by 4. Now second bit B. 1/2 age 6th. We know 6th is 6. So half age 6th equal to 1/2 multiplied by 3, we get 6. So 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 1 divided by 6. Now we have expressed 1/2 age quarters equal to 1/4, and we have expressed 1/2 age 6th as 1/6. Now we will express half age 8th. half is 8 equal to, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 4, we get 1 divided by 8. Now D. 1 by 2. Now we express half is 12. Half is 12 equal to half. We know 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. So half 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 6 equal to 1 divided by 12. So we have expressed half is 8 equal to 1 divided by 8. Half is 12 equal to 1 divided by 12. Now we will express half is 16. Half is 16 equal to, we know 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. So half multiply 1 by 2 multiplied with 8 equal to 1 by 16. So we have expressed half is 16 equal to 1 divided by 16. Now we will express half is 24. Half is 24. We know 2 multiplied with 12 we get 24. So half is 24 equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 12. 2 multiplied by 12 is 14. So 1 divided by 24. So we have expressed half is 16 is 1 by 16. Half is 24 equal to 1 by 24. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.